Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming a video, hopefully de-influencing you. I'm going to talk about all the things that I am not buying this year, so I want you guys to hold me to this because my self-control is a little shaky sometimes. So a lot of this is clothing, but I do have some random things and just some things out of convenience that I would probably purchase, and I'm making sure I don't purchase this year. The first thing is coats and jackets. I want to start off by saying I live in Los Angeles, so there's really no reason for me to have as many coats as I have, and I also have equally, if not more, jackets. My whole closet right now, it's just coats and jackets. My whole closet. I think I have 10 other pieces which are just like dresses, whatever could fit. I have so many coats and jackets, I could not fit anything else in my closet. So we're cut off. We're done. No more. I don't live in Chicago. Now this next one, these next two, these are easy ones for me. We're not buying skinny jeans. I think I have 2 pairs of skinny jeans left, and that's enough. I never wear them. I don't like them. I really hope we never bring them back, honestly. I'm actually wearing a pair of barrel jeans right now, which I hated, and now I love. It's funny how seeing something over and over again hit you over the head with ads, you finally end up caving in. That will not happen with the skinny jeans. The next one, and this one is serious. Because I get heart palpitations anytime I see this trend, and it is the capris. You know, you guys have been trying to bring it back. We're on year 2 of trying to bring the capris back. They're ugly. They were ugly back then, along with the Bermuda shorts. They're ugly now. We've brought the long shorts back. I can allow it. The capris, they don't make any sense. And I see outfits and I'm like, you know, that's kind of cute, but you know what it would be cuter with? Literally any other bottom besides capris. They don't belong in society. Go ahead, get some stretchy legging ones, wear them to bed. Like, that's the only place we should be seeing them, is inside the comfort of your own home. Please don't bring them outside. Up next, this one's extremely ironic. It's the color navy. Now I know what you're thinking. Lauren, you're wearing navy right now. I know. And that's why it's on my list, okay? Hear me out. I keep trying to make navy happen for me, and it's never gonna happen. Like, I feel like this top, first of all, I love this top. Very cute. I like the high neckline. It's a little asymmetrical at the bottom, like Fashion Nova snapped with this top. But this top just isn't very flattering on me color-wise. It's doing nothing for my skin tone. Navy doesn't really match anything. If we're being so real right now, this color doesn't match anything. You got like khaki brown, white, and denim. Like, that's it. Navy and black, it doesn't work. It never does. You can try. It just looks like you're wearing 2 different shades of black. It just never looks right. So yeah, we're not doing this again. This is something I've been standing pretty true to. I'm not buying clothes that are 100% polyester anymore. I say as I wear a top that's probably 100%. Oh, 95% polyester, 5% spandex. But like, we're not doing this anymore. It doesn't make any sense. I don't want to be covered in plastic all the time. After working at a company where we sell water purifiers, the microplastic stuff, it's really scary. Honestly, I recommend you to not do research because you won't want to buy anything. I'm honestly just wasting money. The clothes don't last. They always end up shrinking or literally falling apart because they're plastic. And then if they're falling apart, the plastic, like, it just all keeps going back to the plastic. Then this one, if you watched one of my past vlogs, you'll know this is on the list. Hoodies. This is a hard one for me. I'm not allowing myself to buy any hoodies. You know, and my boyfriend and I, we influence ourselves with the hoodies. We have now, I think, 3 hoodies that are the same. We love to get matching hoodies. I wear them all the time. It is actually a great use of my money, and I have not regretted any of the hoodies that I've purchased because I wear all of them all the time. With that being said, I was starting to put my clothes away. Hoodies take up a lot of space. And I now have, I can see them right now on my dresser, I have 5 hoodies out with nowhere to go. I've actually purchased very good quality hoodies, and I don't think I'm gonna need to replace them for a very long time. So unfortunately for me, I'm just gonna have to deal with what I have, you know? First world problems. Oh no, I have too many clothes. I can't buy more. Ridiculous. This is a big one. No new, emphasis on new, designer items. Specifically, and this might shock you, the clothing. So most of my bags are actually secondhand, even if they've never been used before. They're pre-loved. I don't buy stuff from the store. It doesn't make any sense at all. I don't know why we're doing that. Getting it from a personal shopper will always be cheaper than getting it from the store, especially if you're getting it from a personal shopper in a different country. I just don't think it makes sense. And when people talk about, oh no, it has to be new, my first bag has to be new, oh, I have to get a brand new Chanel bag. Why are you spending $10,000 on a bag that you could literally get for $5,000? That might be, you know, it might be a bad take, I don't know, but that's how I personally feel. And so we're definitely not doing that with bags. But my problem really is the clothes, because I will buy the clothes brand new, because it's a lot harder to find the designer clothes pre-loved. I have been searching for this Gucci top, just like the regular canvas top with the mini print on the pre-loved market, long sleeve, forever. Can't find it. And it's because, why would you sell that? You know, like, I get it, I do. But I can't let myself buy that top. That top's like $2,300 brand new, and it makes absolutely no sense. I will not get my cost per wear out of that. And I know I won't, because it's logo mania. Like, I love logos. I'm not gonna bust that shirt out every week. It's just not gonna happen. Last clothing item trend. Snakeskin and zebra print. First of all, snakeskin, I hate it. I've never seen that look good. Not on bags, not on shoes, not on clothes. It's just not an attractive print, in my personal opinion. And I love snakes. I think they're very cute, actually. That might also be another reason why it doesn't make sense to be wearing them in my head. And then zebra print, it's another thing that's like, how many prints do we need? We got the cow print out right now. We got cheetah print. We got, what's the other one that's like a cheetah, but it's not a cheetah? We just keep acting like they're the same animal. Leopard print. Like, we have so many that we're working with right now. Like, I don't know why we're trying to build a zoo in our wardrobe, but it's just simply not necessary, and it is not for me. Now, jumping into convenience. These are the random things. First thing, and I am standing on business with this because they have pissed me off. Netflix. I refuse to buy a subscription because I've been using my family plan that my mom has for us. She's paying for a certain number of devices and everything for years. And then last year they decided, oh no, you have to be on the same Wi-Fi, and kicked everybody off. I somehow stayed on my laptop for the past year, and I just got kicked off. We're not getting Netflix. I'm not doing it because it is honestly so obnoxious what they have done with like no notice. Just like all of a sudden, nope, bye. They're not getting my money. It's too expensive. First of all, the price is, it's just crazy at this point. So I can't do it. Up next, this whole red light therapy thing. I was just talking to my coworkers about this. I absolutely refuse. There are so many other things that we should be doing besides sitting in front of red lights and spending hundreds, if not thousands of dollars to sit in front of said red lights inside our home. I think that going to actual places to do treatments, beauty treatments, skincare treatments, all of that will always end up being cheaper than buying all of these devices that they're trying to sell us. The red light mask, yeah, it looks kind of cute, very quirky. Like, you just sit in there for like 30 minutes with like LEDs on your face. Don't know what long term that's gonna do, but regardless, why is it like $800? And lastly, kind of ties in with the whole red light beauty products and everything. I'm not purchasing any luxury bath, body, skin products. There's no reason for me to have lotion that's $30. I don't need to buy the $50 hand soap. Like, I feel like we have actually lost the plot. We've taken it way too far. These things don't need to be that expensive. They're all doing the same thing. They're all antibacterial. It is just soap. It is just lotion. We can go to Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Ross, these places exist, and get lotion that's this big for $7. Why would I spend like $50 on? Why would I spend more than $20 realistically on lotion? Something that's disappearing. It's being used and it's gone. I don't get to see this. I don't get to really enjoy it. Yes, it's helping me, but at what cost? You know? So I think we gotta bring back some like critical thinking skills here, because I think we're losing it. I know I am, because I am easily influenced, especially by people that I watch religiously and I trust their opinions of. So, you know, if you trust my opinion, I hope this helps you think about some of the things that you buy, even if it wasn't some of the stuff on this list, and whether or not you can save some money on that. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. I love you.